Hey everyone, guys. If you are trying to, complete a transaction in Western Union, but you keep running into this error code, okay? Error code C2002. If you keep running into this error code, guys, don't worry, guys. I have got a quick guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve these issues. These usually fix the problem. So, first things first, let's actually understand the error code. So, this error code C2002 usually indicates an issue with the transaction due to verification problems, system glitches, or connectivity issues. So what you can do first, the easiest thing is to ensure that you actually have, a stable and secure internet connection. So you can switch to a Wi-Fi network if it's possible. As mobile data can sometimes cause interruptions. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to verify your payment information. So you want to double check the details you have entered, such as the recipient's name, your payment method, and the transfer amount. Any mismatch could actually trigger the error. And guys, what you want to do also is you want to make sure your Western Union app is also up to date, right? Just head to your device's app store, search for Western Union, and just tap update if it's available. And then, guys, what we're going to do basically is you want to clear cache and restart the app. So on your mobile device, go to settings, go to apps, and then go to Western Union and just clear the cache and relaunch the app to see if the error is actually resolved. And what we can also do, guys, is we can try a different payment method. So if you're using a debit card or a credit card, just try switching to another card or a payment method to see if that actually works. And guys, if none of these steps work, guys, what you'll have to do is just contact Western Union customer support, and you want to provide this error code 2C2002 for faster assistance. And there you have it, guys. There you have it. Following these steps should help you get back on track with your transaction, guys. And guys, if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next one.